Hey y'all, welcome back to Shopping with G. We're here in Target. I wanted to take a look at the Christmas items. These are the measuring spoons for $3. The green and the peppermint. And the gingerbread. So very cute. Plates for $5. $5 mini serving spoons. We have the bow ribbons on the outskirts. And $5 for decor jars. They are ceramic. $1 for the magnets. Refrigerator. This is the ribbon, candy canes, the gingerbread men, Christmas trees for $1, milk and cookie sets for $5. I have a few sets over here. Facial care set. This is $5. You get your socks, your foot cream. $5 for the cosmetic pouch in the blue zip top. There's some little compartments on the inside. It is trimmed in the gold plate, pink and white. The white one has the rainbow zip. You see, are there feet at the bottom? No feet. Just really soft all around. Silicone scrubbers for $3. The pink heart. Travel case for $3. It is plastic. Compact mirror. A place for your rings, bracelets, mirror set. Okay. It does turn on. It is battery operated. Pink, blue, and white. $5 storage bins. They're making mini Christmas baskets. They are woven. $5 decor baskets. $3 gift bags. North Pole post. There's a striped candy cane. The quality is not really great on these for $3. And then $5 for the suitcase decor. Some face care, personal hygiene, Bouncy Collagen, $3. Under eye mask, relaxing magnesium. These are foot masks. Nice stocking stuffers. Festive nails for $5. There's this color back here. Lip scrubs. $5. They have the lip gloss as well. And keychain with it. $5. We have the Holler. This is the headband set. Holler Sweets in It Santa bath bombs. This is a shower bomb. Vanilla body spray. Body and hair mist. Wooden houses and trees. These are actual stocking hangers at $5. Here's the tree. Here's the stocking in red and green. $5. Again, honestly, not feeling the quality of it. $5. Little short stocking. Here it is in green. It feels like it would attract lots of lint and particles. This tree here is $5. These are, how much are these? $5. Right, they do light up. Little picks, $3. Oh, I like this one. This is pretty. This is a hanger as well. $5. And the bell and the mini wreaths for $5. But you can use these as centerpieces for your table. Put your jar in the middle. As you can see, all of this was empty. This must have been Thanksgiving and fall. Yeah, there's some pumpkins left in high houses. Let's see what else we can find. Some slippers for $5. Those remind me of Snoopy. Feather clipping challenge. Includes 1 bucket, 50 white feathers, 1 plastic spatula, 1 felt mask. This is $5. They're Santa hats. They do light up. And these are $5. Yeah, they're $5. So they do light up. Plastic ceramic light up house diner, $5. Chalkboard. Okay, so measurement equivalents. These are magnets for the refrigerator. They're $1. Oh, that's handy to have. Kitchen conversion. This mug back here. This is $5. The Santa mug with topper. He's $5. That's a cutie. And then we have this mug here, snowflake with topper. He's $5. And this style here, he's $5. The Christmas tree decor jars, they're $5. This is the Christmas tree, and that's a cylinder with a red glass lid. $5 for this is a metal bucket. $5 for this tri-compartmental department, this wooden figure, and then $5 for the ceramic baking dishes. Kitchen glass container jars, these are $5. Or the disposable cups are $1. Looks like there's 3 in there. These stuffed dolls and figurines, these are $3. $3. The Target stores are $5. Christmas trees, these are $5. Green and gold. That's so pretty to me right now. $1 ornaments. These are plastic. $1. Elf on the Shelf objects for $5. Or for your tiered trays. Gingerbread collection set. This is $5. That's really pretty. Mini candles. These are $3. They smell soft. Glass trees for $1. Minis. These are $5. Plastic gift boxes for $3. Mini tinsel tree for $5. And the gold. And the green. With 12 ornaments. Oh, there's pink too. So if you want something for home or your desk area, your work area, they're $5. Doormats for $5. This one's outlined with ribbon. These are $5. And then this shape Gingy House doormat is $5. Last but not least, gingerbread men. These throw pillows. These are $5. So cute.